So in last video we have discussed about the preparations of carboxylic acid as well as the benzoic acid, and today we will discuss about the physical and chemical property of carboxylic acid as well as the effect of substituent on the acidity of the carboxylic acid and the relative strength of the substituent on the acidity of carboxylic acids. So let's start first physical property. The first three member of carboxylic acid, first three member of carboxylic acids are colorless pungent smelling liquids. Colorless pungent smelling liquid. And the next six member that is C4 to C9 are colorless oily liquid, and higher members are waxy solid. Waxy solid. Benzoic acid and most of the other aromatic acid and most of the other aromatic acid are colorless crystalline solid. Are colorless crystalline solid. And practically odorless due to low volatility. So this is the physical state of the carboxylic acid. The first three members are colorless liquid. Next six members are colorless oily liquid, and the higher members are waxy solid. Whereas the benzoic acid or other aromatic acid are colorless crystalline solid, and benzoic acid is practically odorless due to the low volatility. So this is the physical state of the carboxylic acid. And next physical state is the boiling point of carboxylic acid. Next property, boiling point of carboxylic acids. Second property, boiling point of carboxylic acid, point of carboxylic acids are higher than aldehyde, ketone, or even to alcohol of comparable molecular mass. molecular mass. So boiling point of carboxylic acid are higher than the aldehyde ketone are even to alcohol of comparable molecular mass. Why? Because this is due to extensive association of hydrogen bond between the molecule of carboxylic acids. Molecule of carboxylic acid. So extensive association, which bond? Intermolecular hydrogen bonding takes place in between the molecule of carboxylic acid. This is the reason the higher boiling point of carboxylic acid as compared to the aldehyde ketone or even to the carboxylic acid. In fact, the intermolecular hydrogen bond are not completely broken in vapor phase. It means it has the extensive strong association intermolecular hydrogen bonding in between the molecule of carboxylic acid. This is the region which have the higher boiling point as compared to the aldehyde ketone or even alcohol to the carboxylic acid. Most of the time the questions arises here. Why the alcohol is less acidic than the carboxylic acid? Although alcohol is also able to form the hydrogen bonding. But the carboxylic acid molecule have extensive association, strong intermolecular hydrogen bonding as compared to the alcohol. Reason we will discuss later. As well as here, even in heating process, in vapor phase, the intermolecular hydrogen bonding between the molecule of carboxylic acid is not completely broken. And even in protic solvent, it exists as a dimer. It exists as a dimer. Dimer means the two molecules of carboxylic acid are undergoes in the intermolecular hydrogen bonding. It means it does not completely broken out. Just like R, CO, OH, and another molecules of carboxylic acid, this is OH and C double bond O. The formations of intermolecular hydrogen bonding. As a dimer, it means their molecular mass is just become the double. So it is too much extensive association intermolecular hydrogen bonding as compared to the aldehyde, ketone and alcohol. This is the reason it has higher boiling point as compared to these molecules. And it is not completely broken even in the protic solvent or in the vapor phase. Why? Because it exists in the dimeric form. Dimeric means the two molecules of the carboxylic acid undergoes the intermolecular hydrogen bonding and cannot be completely broken. So it has the higher boiling point. And another questions we have discussed here. Why the alcohol have the lower boiling point as compared to the carboxylic acid? Although alcohol is also able to form the hydrogen bond among their molecules, and carboxylic acid also form the intermolecular hydrogen bonding among the molecule, but carboxylic acid have the higher boiling point as compared to the carboxylic acid. So very simple answer. In case of the carboxylic acid, just like in C6H5COH or any acid, in case of is benzoic acid or acid, the OH bond is the OH bond is more polarized due to bonded with electron withdrawing group to carbonyl carbon in acids. However, in alcohol, OH bond is not polarized. Thus, it has less extensive hydrogen bonding. Thus, it has less extensive hydrogen bond rather than carboxylic acids. So this is the reason the higher boiling point of carboxylic acid than alcohol. The OH bond in alcohol and the acid. The OH bond of acid is more polarized, having the partially negative and partially positive charge. It has more tendency to form the intermolecular hydrogen bonding, whereas in case of alcohol, the OH bond is not polarized, and it has extent of polarization is less as compared to the carboxylic acid. Thus, their extensive association is less as compared to the carboxylic acid. So this is the reason for the low boiling point of alcohol of comparable molecular mass as compared to the carboxylic acid. Is it clear? Keep in mind, the boiling point of carboxylic acid are higher as compared to the aldehyde, ketone, or even to alcohol. Reason is very clear that the extensive association of intermolecular hydrogen bonding among the molecule of carboxylic acid, this is the reason for the higher boiling point of carboxylic acid. And its boiling point is also higher than the alcohol. Why? Because in the carboxylic acid, the OH bond is more polarized as compared to the OH bond of the alcohol, due to presence of electron withdrawing group attached to the carbonyl carbon of carboxylic acids. So this is another property of carboxylic acid. And next property is the solubility of carboxylic acids. Third property of carboxylic acid. And one thing also keep in mind regarding to the boiling point of carboxylic acids. Boiling point of carboxylic acid increases with increase in the molecular mass of the compound. With increase in the molecular mass of compound. Third property regarding to solubility, the first four members of carboxylic acid are fairly soluble in water, and solubility decreases with increase the number of carbon atom. With increase the number of carbon atom. and the solubility of carbon character increases. It means as the number of carbon atom increases of this carboxylic acid, their solubility decreases into the water. So this is the physical property of carboxylic acid. I would like to remind you again, just like the first three members of the carboxylic acid are colorless pungent smelling liquid, the next six members, carbon number 4 to carbon number 9, are colorless waxy liquid, and the higher members of the waxy solids. Benzoic acid and most of the other aromatic carboxylic acid are colorless crystalline solid, and benzoic acid is practically odorless due to low volatility. Second property, the boiling point of carboxylic acid are higher as compared to the aldehyde, ketone, or even to carboxylic alcohol due to formations of extensive association of intermolecular hydrogen bonding between the molecules of carboxylic acid of comparable molecular mass. And in fact, the carboxylic acid, their hydrogen bond is not completely broken even in the vapor phase. And in the protic solvent, it exists as a dimeric form. So it's so that there are extensive associations of intermolecular hydrogen bonding, and their molecular mass just become the double of the acetic acids, because the two molecules means dimers are associated by the hydrogen bond. And the boiling point of carboxylic acid increases with increasing the molecular mass. It means as the number of carbon atom increases in the carboxylic acid, their boiling point will also be increases. So whenever you are going to decide the boiling point criteria for the different compound, so must be keep in the mind, which thing must be keep in the mind, that is surface area, intermolecular hydrogen bonding, associated intermolecular hydrogen bonding, and the molecular mass. So all these criteria is helpful to deciding the boiling point criteria of the different compounds. And in other things we have discussed, why the carboxylic acid have the higher boiling point as compared to alcohol, although alcohol is also able to form the intermolecular hydrogen bond. So in case of carboxylic acid, OH bond is more polarized, means having the positive negative, partial positive and negative, as compared to the OH bond of alcohol. So extensive associations of intermolecular hydrogen bonding takes place in case of the carboxylic acid as compared to the alcohol. And regarding to the solubility of the carboxylic acid, so you know that like charges always soluble into each other, and the polar OH bond is polar. So first four members of the carboxylic acid are fairly soluble in water due to formations of intermolecular hydrogen bonding, whereas the solubility decreases as the number of carbon atom increases. Why? Because the hydrophobic character increases. So this is very important for the board examinations, and the number of times one mass questions arises from the boiling point solubility. So read carefully, and if you have any questions you can ask.